Hey everyone! Want a website text that speaks directly to your audience? Here's how to personalize your copy using Anyword AI. Let's get started. First, you need to go and log into anyword.com and here click the plus create content button and describe your project like homepage or product page copy. Then here add a personalization prompt. Write a homepage hero section for a fitness app targeting busy professionals. Here you can mention a time-saving workouts and motivational tone. You can type whatever prompt that you like. Then after that, tap next and then refine it and click generate. Review the variations and choose the one that matches your audience. You can tweak tone, benefits, or CTAs for different customer segments. And that's how you create personalized website copy in under a minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.